Test drive 2016 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.